Welcome to the SmartAwareness platform powered by InfoSec. During this demonstration, we will be covering the key features of the platform, including learner roster management, phishing simulations, security awareness training, and examining reports and program metrics. Let's take a look at the learner management features of the platform. Learners are going to be the end users of the platform. Learners will be assigned and interact with security awareness training and phishing simulations. A learner's profile includes details like name and email, as well as additional identifying information, which will be beneficial for reporting and targeting campaigns such as title, department, office location, and who they report to within the organization. Additionally, 6 custom attributes can be added to the learner profile to add in additional information your organization may use to identify employees' roles and functions. To add learners to the account, the SmartAwareness platform supports a variety of different import options, including manual entry, CSV import, and automated syncing using Azure or Entra ID, Google Workspace, or using SCM for additional identity solutions such as Okta, OneLogin, and more. Automating your learner roster management is recommended and helps enable additional training automation such as new hire training and role-based training. Once learners have been added to the platform, you are then able to better leverage groups. While groups can be created as part of an upload or sync, additional and often useful groups can be built for additional campaign targeting and reporting. Here you can see the creation of groups based on dynamic attributes for the learner. This will allow admins to create groups by domain, roles and responsibilities, and even observe security behaviors such as their interactions with phishing emails or their security awareness training performance. A recommended group would be to create a performance group based on the learner's letter grade. This familiar grading scale is used to create a risk-based profile, which takes into account 21 different security awareness behaviors such as getting phished, reporting emails, spending time in training, completing training, and passing or failing assessments. Using these letter grades to create a risk-based threshold, we can quickly identify learners with a higher security risk and establish a threshold for an automated remediation training campaigns. Once learners are uploaded and learner groups are created, we can begin sending campaigns. Let's go through the process of creating a phishing simulation campaign. The SmartAwareness platform has some common pre-configured campaigns available using the tiles at the top of the page. For this demonstration, we will be creating a custom campaign. A campaign is the delivery vehicle for content. For this campaign creation, we will be choosing the who, the what, and the when, starting with what phishing simulations we will be sending. Using the content selection section, we can either search for individual email templates, choose from small folders, or batteries of phishing email templates, or large robust groups of emails by categories. Next, we choose the who by selecting learners. Learners can either be targeted individually, by groups, or by selecting all learners. Finally, we will be choosing when these phishing emails will be delivered. Emails can be scheduled for delivery either all at once or distributed over a specified period of time. Emails will be delivered over the duration given and can be refined to specific times of day and days of the week. This section also allows for more automation where a campaign can run continuously on a daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly cycle. One of the most popular campaigns used today is the Catch of the Week campaign. In this Catch of the Week campaign, we make use of a large group of email templates which get new additions each week and schedule 2 of the possible available email templates to be delivered to each learner and have the campaign set to cycle monthly. Using this campaign, all the learners will receive a different 2 emails delivered at an unpredictable time in an unpredictable sequence. And each time the campaign cycles, new phishing simulation templates and new learners will automatically be included, allowing for persistent phishing exercises to be automated in the platform. This method maximizes your reduction in click rate, improves compliance to the email reporting process, and saves valuable time for administrators. There is an incredible amount of customization available for phishing simulations. Every bit of how a learner experiences a phishing simulation is something that can be configured in the SmartAwareness platform. Here in the phishing email template library, we have access to modify any of the over 2,500 phishing simulation templates or create a new template from scratch. The template editor provides an easy-to-use drag-and-drop creation interface to add text, buttons, QR codes, images, or even just copy and paste HTML into recreate an email from your own inbox or mail quarantine. In addition to how a learner perceives an email, they are viewing from their inbox admins customize how they interact with the message. From within the editor, choose the type of phishing exercise from simple drive-by links, attachment attacks, data entry, or credential harvesting events, and even BC campaigns with advanced reply tracking behavior. With each phishing simulation, there is an opportunity to educate your learner. The platform comes with an extensive list of over 130 education pages that provide in-the-moment learning if a simulation is interacted with. The types of educations will vary between videos, quick tip slides, animations, and phishing indicators. Phishing indicators are a powerful means of educating learners which presents the email our learner interacted with contextual clues highlighted for how to better identify similar phishing emails in the future. To help refine this experience, further custom education pages, data entry pages, and even the notification emails that follow up a phished event can all be customized to achieve the exact phishing scenario desired. As part of a comprehensive phishing simulation tool, there needs to be a way to measure the successful identification of phishing simulation emails and compliance to the email reporting process. For this, the SmartAwareness platform comes equipped with a learner-facing email reporting button, Phish Notify. This email client add-on can be deployed to both Gmail and Outlook environments, providing a consistent reporting experience on mobile, desktop, and web app. Admins may configure how the button will respond to a learner when a phishing simulation or even a non-simulation email is reported. Phishing simulations are acknowledged, and learners are credited for this positive security behavior. Non-simulation emails are treated differently. The learner is still acknowledged in the moment for reporting with a different message to let them know that additional research by another team will be performed on this message. Non-simulation emails can then be sent to additional security tools such as Microsoft Defender or Checkpoint Harmony and Avanon for additional triage and response capabilities. Security awareness training is an incredibly important tool for preparing a learner for the variety of threats they may encounter both at home or in the workplace. The SmartAwareness platform boasts over 1,300 different training assets. These assets include video modules, games, assessments, posters, newsletters, and program plans. Security awareness programming is designed in comprehensive series. Each series lends its own tone and narrative or flavor to the training. This allows for there to be various types of delivery of cybersecurity basics, as each of these modules are mapped back to the NIST core behavioral framework. Within each series, these core behaviors such as phishing, password security, social engineering, and more are covered at least once to ensure that at the end of the year all learners have received training on each of the behaviors which make up a comprehensive security awareness curriculum. In addition to the fundamentals of cybersecurity, the content library offers additional training topics. These include regulatory and compliance topics such as GDPR, HIPAA, FERPA, SEPA, and more, as well as current event-type training on recent breaches or trending threats from our Hacker Headlines series. This modular approach to education allows for admins to sequence modules together into custom courses. To begin building a course, just click the plus icon next to the module. Modules are available in up to 35 different languages, so one course can be delivered in multiple regions or countries in a single campaign. And while the SmartAwareness platform provides comprehensive LMS functionality, these training assets are also portable and can be downloaded as a SCORM file for use within an external learning platform. Once your desired content is identified, building an awareness campaign is simple. From the Awareness Training Campaign page, one of the common pre-configured campaign types can be chose or a custom campaign. From the campaign creation page, we select what course learners will be receiving, who will be receiving this training, and finally when this training should be available and due. Confirm the details of your campaign's configuration, and then press Save and Schedule. Learners will receive an email notifying them they've been enrolled in training, where they can then access their learning dashboard. The learning dashboard will track current and historic training for the learners and provide competitive metrics for how well they are performing against others in the organization as they identify and report phishing simulations. The learner dashboard experience is mobile-friendly and localized based on the learner's designated preferred language and meets WCAG 2.2 accessibility requirements. Awareness training can be further customized using the Publishing Assistant feature to create custom training modules. This module creation tools allows for a custom slideshow style education asset to be added to your content library and used in courses alongside existing training modules. To create a Publishing Assistant module, upload a PDF file to the platform. Choose a narrator for each language your module will be supported in, and then add a transcript which will be read to the learner for each page or slide of this custom module. And when creating a custom module, consider creating a custom knowledge check or an assessment to accompany that training. Build out true or false. Choose all that apply and multiple choice style questions, and then group those questions into an assessment to create a custom quiz. These features allow for awareness training to educate and test on internal policy and procedures in addition to cybersecurity best practices. The SmartAwareness platform offers the best-in-class reporting capabilities with its in-app BI-style dashboards. Out-of-the-box admins are equipped with 8 pre-configured reporting dashboards. Each dashboard offers a different focus for reporting back on fundamental program metrics. For example, the executive dashboard provides a high-level overview of key performance indicators associated with your security awareness and phishing simulation program, covering metrics such as current and historic phish rates with comparative benchmarks, email report rates, training completion rates, and time in training. This will also provide summaries of risk-based events within the time period specified and rank departments by both positive and negative security behavior. This provides an easy-to-follow and understand report to demonstrate the value of the program and show positive progress to additional stakeholders. Additional PhishSim and AwareEd dashboards go deeper and provide more granular details into the success and opportunities in your phishing and awareness training, while other reports may serve as a work item, such as your learner risk, incomplete training, and training compliance report dashboards. These report dashboards are highly interactive and customizable, allowing admins to ask additional questions of the data and present this information with robust visualization. With any of the existing system reports or a custom-built report dashboard, you can create valuable call to actions by creating a subscription for a report using the Report Scheduler feature. With this feature, you can choose which report dashboard to schedule, what format it will be delivered in with options such as a table or PDF, who will be receiving this report, and how frequently the scheduled report will be delivered. This will automate the process of informing key stakeholders and allowing for follow-up on account-related activities.